Thanks for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava, tracking all the big stories over the next half an hour. First up, as always, the headlines. India issues advisory for citizens currently in Iran, asking them to leave the country by available means of transport, including commercial flights, as threats of US attack loom. Seven terrorists, including top Jaish-e-Mohammed commander Saifullah, killed in encounter with security forces in Jammu and Kashmir's Kishtwar district. Incriminating details emerged in Bangladesh terror module bust by Delhi police. Reports say handlers maintained regular communication with operatives via encrypted messaging platform Signal. Unauthorized drones disrupt more than 50 flights at Vietnam airport during busy New Year holiday. No information on who was operating the drones or how close they came to the aircraft. European Union Foreign Policy Chief Kaja Kallas says she is not optimistic about potential progress in peace talks with Russia as Ukraine war approaches its 4th anniversary. Offensive continues with 3 killed in Odisha and Zaporizhia in latest strikes. Reuters report says new US task force specializing in intel collection played a role in the Mexican military raid that killed drug lord El Mencho. Violence continues across the country with gunmen blocking highways, setting cars and businesses ablaze. Bitcoin falls more than 5% as markets react to President Donald Trump boosting temporary global tariffs. The move weighs on risk assets and crypto sentiment. Bitcoin plunges below $65,000 briefly, while other cryptos also fall more than 5%. Arsenal reclaimed their 5-point lead at the top of the English Premier League with a convincing 4-1 win over Tottenham in the North London derby.